my sketch.
Is it? Oof, this is abstract art kind of stuff, right?
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. And what's going on here?
You're sleeping on a mountain of clothes.
No. Okay. Sleeping on a mountain of clothes.
Can I help you fold them?
Literally, I was catching up on a very good read. I know you want to help, but with what?
Life hacks.
Is it?
Yeah.
In terms of?
Clothes.
Just making this happen? Oh, look, you just want to do this on a busy bed like this? But I'm happy that you sleep in different beds, so I'm able to hide here and just do my... Man, you need to hear this story. You know someone called Harry Truman?
No.
No?
Yeah.
I should tell you more about him. That's exactly where I was on this page. This guy, can I tell you, in 1922, long before I was born as well, or long before, you know, I think my dad was born too. And this guy was actually broken out of work. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
And then years later, about 23 years later, 1945, this guy was the US president. Can you imagine?
Yes.
And it only means one proper lesson here is that failure is temporary. So when you fail at something, it doesn't mean that you're a failure. That you can always rise up and do it better. Wow, man, if you're able to fix the trousers, I will carry the whole mountain of clothes, take it somewhere, and we can do it as we enjoy some sun, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. So we carry this away then?
Let me do it first.
Perfect, man. And I need to learn that hack as well. Just see if it works for me too. Good enough?
It is easy.
Uh-huh.
You can do it very, very fast.
Jeez. Wow. That's for the trouser.
Yeah.
Jeez, man. Neat. Very neat. I see. Wow. Wow. Wow.
This is one.
Oof. Great. And it goes exactly this. And the shirt? Maybe we just need to carry everything away and see if it's gonna be... We do it as we are also doing our... Getting some bit of sun, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. So let's go. We carry that, we carry that, we carry that, we carry that. Just carry the t-shirts, eh?
And trousers.
And trousers. That. Fine. So if it's a trouser like that, explain to them as you do it. You're talking as you do it.
You fold it like this. You fold it 1 and 2. Then take one, put it like this. Then you fold it like that. Then you leave this one like that. Take it like this and like that and just like that.
That looks extremely neat, man, and it's something that you can... Oh, okay. And what a shot. Teach me. How long does it take to implement a shot? This is what you do. You keep talking, okay?
Okay.
So for a shot, how does it go, man?
You hold on the top.
So once you put it out neatly, just make it neat.
Put it out neatly. That hold in the middle close to the side.
Yeah.
At the top like this. Take it to the bottom. Then pull. Then check it out. Then you fold again. That's all.
Wow. Wow. Okay, man. So we can actually do that in a competition. Let's see how this goes in under how many seconds?
100 million.
No, come on, makes sense, man. So you said if you have a lot of clothes like this. Why is this important?
So you do it faster. Maybe you have a lot of homework, chores to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're able to, just get done with this and then go to other, more important stuff. So you said you hold somewhere in the middle, but off towards the side. Then you bring the top to the bottom. Well, you're still holding the middle part, and then pull. Check it out. Is that it?
Yes.
It hasn't come out so nice, but I could do it again, right?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So that's it. The wind is a bit of a problem as well. Okay.
3,
So
2, 1, go. One.
whoa. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Grab that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Grab that. Fine. So this is gonna be the grand finale, right?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that didn't happen.
Keep going, Billy. Keep going. Billy, keep going.
I won.
Okay.
Win. So far.
Whoa, looks like we're putting away laundry pretty quickly, eh? Okay. There you go. Does it apply to even such like, clothes, Billy?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine, same drill? Fine. So again, there you go.
I'm done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 3.
Oh, wow. It's coming out pretty well. You can see. Man, I'm catching up pretty quickly. Oh, trouser for you. Another shirt for me.
No, you should do the trouser because you were taught how to do the trouser. No, give Baba the trouser to do. To humiliate him.
Dress, Billy versus shirt.
Okay, this I don't know. You said we fold it once. So for the
Twice.
trouser, try it twice.
1. Then bring this here.
But you said once.
And then you do like this. I said that.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
And then that.
No. First this.
Okay. So then that.
Under.
Chin.
Then under. Then take it like that. So it doesn't come out.
Wow, and it's neat, and I can see everything is all in shape. Wow. Okay. Cool. Fine. So a good lesson right there.
Okay. On to your marks.
Once.
Okay, you start first. You start and I'm going to go.
Okay. So once. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Billy is starting.
No.
Okay. Cool. Fine. I get it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Then that. Then that. Then that. That's okay. No, then that goes in there. It's tucked away. Okay? Yours, there was one loose end. This has everything tucked away.
Then you do it then.
So then if we...
Wait, you did it like mine.
So then, once you do that, then you only have one loose end.
Yes.
No, just one loose. Like Bill, you see when you're there. When you're there,
Yes.
okay, when you're here, what I found out is you're leaving one leg to basically just sit on top loosely. So then we had that, and then now you do this completely. Okay?
That's what I did.
You brought this other one. Neat all sides.
Mine is neat.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's good. Okay. So
Now
you're
we'll do
grinding on.
shirt versus shirt. Let's see who does it faster. 3, 2. Okay, are you ready?
Fine, I am. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. Goodbye.
You're no neat, man. Look. Yours no neat. Okay, there you
Okay, let us do it again. Hey! This one, okay.
go. Yeah, color is still okay. Still the same thing, one and the same thing, and we have a grand finale with the rest.
Like
With two more.
And then we still go back upstairs to where they were.
one.
Eh?
We will go back upstairs to where they were moving.
Okay, somewhere in the middle.
3, 2. Wait, mine is hard. Mine is harder. 3, 2. Wait, mine is harder. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm done.
Let's start again. It's another shot.
That'll be the grand finale. Okay, say it.
This is now going to be the grand finale.
And
Who
looks
goes?
like who's winning here?
Me. Who is going home?
Am I?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see, man. Let's see. Fine.
3, 2, 1, go. We are competing which one is neat.
Everyone to hold their shirts. Kila mtu ashikilie shati yake. Billy.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Cool.
Go.
I won.
Okay. And the winner today is. Nice, man. Nice. Thanks, man. Well sorted, man. Okay. Twice. Well done, man. Thanks for helping me sort out my laundry. I really appreciate. It looks like we have created more time for CBC, right?
Yeah.
Fine. All three.
Hey guys, now you see we've put away a lot of clothes. That my dad was sleeping on the mountain. And now we have removed the mountain.
Of clothes.
Yeah.
Man, that is exaggerating, man. It wasn't a mountain exactly. It was just a small bunch of clothes. But thanks.
It is important because
Yeah.
while helping your parents, you can do it faster
Yeah.
and you can do it neat. So you're not told to do it again and again and again. But if you do it again and again, you get to learn. Yeah.
Great.
For more hacks, you can find me at Liam's Gram, and you can find my dad at Byron Adera, Instagram, TikTok,
Facebook.
William Okal. And you can find him in TikTok and Instagram in Byron Adera.
At Byron Adera.